Hey, what's going on there, YouTube? This here's Chet from Strong Viewers coming at you with another video. So I know it's been a while since I made a new video. Been busy with my new junk business. But anyways, I got these here new headphone pods. These are Air Bud pods made by Sony. These are WF-1000XM3 head pod buds. Now these here things I picked up because I was looking for something like this, be wearing around my earbud, not having to worry about no cables or nothing like that. And I heard about the Apple AirBud pods, and I saw a video of somebody did a little review of them, and then he said these ones were better. So I picked these ones up on sale on their Amazon.com. So basically what we got here is these here little nubular type things, and it's basically a pod that you put in your ear, and it connects to the particular device that you do be using. See that lighted up even. So that's kind of a neat little feature. When you open up this little case it comes in, put the box over to your side, it goes ahead and gives you a little light show. And this is what the little bud pods look like. Oh, dropped it. This is what they look like. And see, now it's beeping blue, so it probably means that it'd be trying to connect. So basically, put these here bud pods up in your earlobe socket area, and just like normal headphones, except they ain't got no cables. Now I'm gonna tell you my particular experience with these particular pods. Now, I didn't really know what to expect when I purchased this item, because normally I use the pods that don't have wireless, so they have a cable attached and whatnot. But I will have to say they're a pretty neat little device. A little pricey, but I did get them on sale on Amazon.com. And it comes in this nice little case here. And you put the little charging device in the back socket right there. Just plug it right in the wall. Comes with a nice little handy little cable for you to be using. But basically, I will have to say that probably the most fun part about these little pod buds is putting them back in the case, because it just got a little magnetization inside the case there, if you could see it, and you just kind of pop it in there and it magnetizes itself inside of it. So that's a real nice little feature. I thought was real nice. Now what I will say is that the quality of the audio in this here thing is pretty good. I will say the only discontentment I have about this device is it does hurt your earlobe after a little bit. I found that I put it in my ear socket and it started rubbing around the wrong way, and it did cause some discomfort for after about half an hour. So I don't know what the deal with that is. It comes with these little suction cups. So these little suction cups here comes with about, I don't even know, probably about 6 of these different variations of suction cups, and it is a pretty good variety to choose from. In my experience with the suction cups, they didn't really do much for me in terms of differentiation and of the experience. So I don't really know. And then yeah, so I don't know. He's a pretty expensive product. It's probably the most exuberant object I've reviewed, but yeah, I mean, if you're looking for bud pods, I would recommend these. Although I will say I have not had any other experience with any other particular device of this certain nature. So use your own cautionary judgment. But I will say, if you do like magnetic type thingy bobbers, this thing is going to be good for you, because you can just stick it right in there and it magnetizes itself. So yeah, I'll go ahead and look into these a little bit more. Just wanted to give my little spiel on it, and yeah, that's about it.